Welcome to Project Hollywood. I'm Kristiina. I am a designer with Sosna and the mastermind of this home renovation. Everything changed here actually in terms of finishes and materials.
We've had been in this house for almost 14 years. Unfortunately, it was falling apart and we wanted to make it more functional for us, the three girls, and this dog.
The intent was to maximize the kitchen footprint and gaining a bigger island, adding a lot of storage, a lot of extra space. This here was a patio door before. We made this into a beautiful picture window. We did go pretty bold here with black doors, add of a pop and a wow factor.
We appreciate Sosna. They kept us up to date without us needing to have too much commitment. To be honest, it was very smooth. We really appreciate every little detail.
We modernized the posts, the handrails.
When we tell friends that we finished our project a week early, no one believes us because I think it's unheard of in the industry for our full house renovation.